If you follow global markets, you have likely heard of the KOSPI. Let us look at what this index actually represents for investors. KOSPI stands for the Korea Composite Stock Price Index. It is the primary benchmark for the South Korean stock market. The index is broad, tracking over 900 companies trading on the main board of the Korea Exchange. It is a market capitalization-weighted index, meaning larger firms carry more weight. It was launched in 1980 with a base value of 100. Investors often confuse it with the KOSDAQ. While KOSPI tracks large, established firms, the KOSDAQ focuses on smaller, high-growth, and tech-heavy companies. The index is heavily tilted toward technology and manufacturing, which mirrors South Korea's export-driven economic model. Remember that an index is just a snapshot of the market. It is not a guarantee of how any single company will perform. Understanding global indices helps you diversify your perspective. Like and subscribe for more basics on how world markets move. Educational content only.